Trendline strategy, riding the market waves. Unlock profit potential by identifying and trading market trends. Learn how to draw, interpret, and trade effectively with trend lines. Enhance your technical analysis and improve trading strategies. Understanding trend lines. Definition. Lines connect swing highs or lows to reveal price direction. Uptrend, line connects higher swing lows, prices generally rise. Downtrend, line connects lower swing highs, prices tend to fall. Sideways trend, price moves within a range, no clear direction. Identifying valid trend lines. Minimum 2 points, at least 2 swing highs or lows to draw a line. 3 points, confirmation, third touch confirms the trend line's strength. Angle of the line. Moderate slopes hold better than steep angles. Time frame matters. Longer time frames produce more reliable trends. Drawing trend lines. Correctly, uptrend lines, drawn below price, connecting swing lows for support. Downtrend lines, drawn above price, linking swing highs to spot resistance. Adjusting the line, update as new swings form to maintain accuracy. Avoid forcing. Only draw lines that naturally fit the price moves. Trading strategies with trend lines. Buy on bounce. Go long when price bounces off an uptrend line. Sell on rejection. Enter short on price rejection at downtrend line. Breakout confirmation. Wait for clear breakout before acting to avoid traps. Combining trend lines with other indicators, moving averages, confirmed trend direction, and smooth price data. RSI, detect overbought or oversold market conditions. Volume, validate strength during breakouts and reversals. Fibonacci retracements, spot key support and resistance levels, common pitfalls and how to avoid them. False breakouts, use volume and candle patterns to confirm breaks. Ignoring news, important events can disrupt technical setups abruptly. Over-reliance, combine signals from multiple indicators for accuracy. Emotional trading, stay disciplined. Avoid impulsive decisions under pressure. Mastering trendline trading, practice drawing. Regularly identify and test trend lines on charts. Backtest strategies, refine your entries and exits using historical data. Stay patient. Discipline and adaptability boost long-term success. Keep learning, continuously improve with market experience and insights.